Mia, you will not believe what happened today.
What? Tell me.
I accidentally became famous for like 10 minutes.
Wait, what? Famous? How?
Oh man, this day was crazy from the start. Let me tell you everything.
So, my day started pretty normal, you know? I woke up late. Again. Hey, my alarm didn't go off. So I was rushing like crazy. I didn't have time for breakfast. Oh no. So you were running late? Exactly. Running late means you're in a hurry, right? So I grabbed my coffee and ran out the door. But here's the thing. I forgot something super important. Your phone? Worse. But I'll tell you that later. First, listen to this. Alex, you always do this. Okay. So I'm on the bus, drinking my coffee, and this old lady sits next to me. Sweet lady, you know? She smiles and says, "Nice shirt." That's nice. What's wrong with that? Well, I looked down and I was wearing my pajama top. No. You're kidding. I'm serious. I freaked out. That means I got really shocked and worried. Oh my God, that's so embarrassing. What did you do? I just smiled and said thanks. But that wasn't even the crazy part. Wait until you hear what happened at work.
Okay, I'm listening. What happened? So I got to the office, right? Still in my pajama top. My coworker Jessica saw me and she laughed at you? No, she thought it was Fashion Week or something. She said, "Oh, Alex, you're so trendy." Trendy means fashionable, right? Yeah, like modern and cool. So I just went with it. I pretended it was on purpose. Smart move. But then my boss called a meeting. A big meeting. With clients. Oh no! In your pajamas? Yes. I was panicking. That means really, really worried. I tried to hide behind my laptop, but what? Well, you know how I told you I forgot something important? Yes. What was it? I forgot that today was the day I had to give a presentation in front of 20 people. What? No way. And then something absolutely insane happened. But first, you need to understand what I did next.
So there I am, standing in front of everyone in my pajama top, about to start my presentation.
This is a nightmare.
Wait for it. I opened my presentation file and... What? Alex, tell me! It was the wrong file. No. But what happened next? It changed everything. You won't believe this.
Tell me, what was in the file?
Okay, so instead of my work presentation, it was my vacation photos. Oh my God. Pictures of me at the beach, eating pizza, doing silly faces. Everyone's looking at the screen and I'm just frozen.
What did you do?
Well, I could either die of embarrassment. You know what that means? Like, feel so embarrassed you want to disappear? Exactly. So I could do that, or I could be creative. So you know what I did?
What?
I said, "This, everyone, is called work-life balance." Oh my God.
Seriously? Yes! I turned it into a presentation about taking breaks and being happy at work. I made it up on the spot. That means right there, immediately. That's genius! What did people say? They loved it. My boss said, "Alex, this is refreshing." Refreshing means new and interesting, like a nice surprise. Wait, so your mistake became a success? Yes. But wait, here's the famous part I told you about. Oh, right. How did you become famous? Someone in the meeting recorded it and posted it online. What? With the caption, "Best presentation fail ever." It got like 50,000 views in 2 hours. Alex, you went viral. Went viral means became really popular online, right? Yes, that's crazy. Then what happened?
So after work, I'm walking home, still on cloud 9, super happy, Yeah, I bet. And random people started recognizing me. One guy said, "Hey, you're the pajama presentation guy." That's so funny. I know. But then I got home and realized something.
What now?
I still hadn't eaten all day. I was starving, super, super hungry. So I ordered pizza.
Finally.
But the delivery guy? He recognized me too. He said, "No way, you're famous. Can I take a selfie?" This is insane. So there I am, taking a selfie with the pizza guy, still in my pajama top. And he says, "Dude, nice shirt. Very trendy." And I'm thinking, should I tell him?
Did you?
Nah, I just said thanks and went with the flow. That means I accepted the situation and didn't fight it.
That's perfect.
Alex, this has been the craziest story. So, what did you learn? You know what? Sometimes your worst moments can become your best moments. That's true. Like, I was so embarrassed this morning. I wanted to call in sick, tell my boss I'm sick and stay home. But you didn't. Nope. And because I faced it, something amazing happened. I learned a new phrase today. Turn lemons into lemonade. Oh, make something good from something bad? Exactly. When life gives you problems, or makes you wear pajamas to work, just be creative. I love that. And you know what? You taught us so many useful phrases today. Yeah, like running late, freaked out, on the spot, went viral, on cloud 9, starving, went with the flow, and turn lemons into lemonade. These are super useful for talking about your day in English. For sure. And remember, funny things happen to everyone. Don't be afraid to talk about them. So, listeners, now it's your turn. Yeah. Think about your day today. What happened? Anything funny? Anything embarrassing? Try to describe it in English. Use some of the phrases we learned. And remember, mistakes are okay. Look at me. I went to work in pajamas and became famous. Exactly. So, what happened in your day? Practice telling your story, even if it's just to yourself in the mirror or your dog. Yes, just practice. And who knows? Maybe your day is even crazier than mine. Thanks for listening, everyone. See you next time. Keep learning, keep laughing. Bye.